In any structure that has any man-made quality, something is enhanced or enlarged and speeded up. Something is simultaneously obsolesced. Something is simultaneously retrieved that had been pushed out earlier. And something is finally brought into being a kind of opposite of the thing that you started with. And I ordinarily use things like zipper, which enhances clasping, obsolesces buttons and bows, retrieves long sweeping garments for which buttons and bows are useless, and flips into Velcro, which is its own clasp.